Okay, I'm watching. I'm recording it. Try the bottom hole.
He's trying to fit his face through it.
Try the bottom hole.
You got it. What the hell? You're not supposed to be able to do that. There's only one cat in this box.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. He's biting onto the tag in there. How goes the kitty?
Tilt it a little bit. I see a nose. I see a nose.
Ow! Okay, be nice. I can't do anything when you got your paw now. Hold on, paw. Ah! You little booger echo. Ah. I wish I had something to actually give to him during the tour. I got an idea. I got something to bring the pool in. Ah.
What'd you grab?
It's a mouse. Cat mouse. Toy mouse.
Oh, the toy mouse you bought him the other day.
Mm-hmm. Ah, you got it. Nope. Ah.
It's like, damn it, I want that. I want it.
I'm gonna choke myself cool.
You're gonna wear him out.
Good.
I don't think it'll fit through the itty bitty
Oh,
hole.
you got the tail off of it.
Oh, it's a tailless mouse.
Good thing, dude, that you're not real.
Yeah, I would be
Let me have it
squeamish.
back. Let me have it back. Give it back. You know, it's fun.
Okay, well I got 4 minutes of video right now.
You can shut it off whenever you want.
Are you done playing with them?
For the most part, you're trying to get that toe in. Ah, you got it.